rules. So let's talk about the factor V Leiden. I love the way we choose a lot of light on the protein being G2021OA, right? So let's throw more light on factor V Leiden gene mutation. So factor V Leiden gene mutation is also known as what? Activated protein C resistance. You know, protein C is supposed to what? Prevent blood clotting. Okay, so if the body is resisting protein C, that means there's protein C in the body, but the body is resisting it. It's just like diabetes mellitus type 2. There's insulin in the body, but the cells are resisting insulin. This one is not that protein C is deficient. Protein C is there, but it's being resisted. You know, that's factor V Leiden. So what is it? It's a point mutation on a gene known as the F5 gene. Alright, and the gene is the gene that actually what encodes for factor V. You know, so the mutation makes factor V insensitive to protein C. Factor V is like a friend of protein C. They should always recognize each other, they should always shake each other. But if factor V is no longer being able to recognize protein C, they can no longer work together. And you should know that protein C is a natural anticoagulant. It's against blood clotting in the body. So no protein C, the body is just coagulating anyhow, you know. So as a result, clotting continues, you know, for a longer time. There's no checks and balance. You go into a prothrombotic state and everything. So it's more common in what? Caucasians. Okay, it's less common in Africans and Asian populations. I think the most issues that disturb us Africans is all those microbiology issues, cholera, Lassa fever, and everything. So what is activated protein C resistance? That's also another name for factor V Leiden mutation, right? So it occurs a factor V Leiden mutation. You can't discuss them without mentioning the other one. That's just how it is. So I think we have discussed that, right? So protein C is against coagulation. Okay, so the body is resisting protein C, so the body is now going, the blood is going to is just clotting anyhow without any checks and balance. So they are related because all people with factor V Leiden mutation must have what? A protein C resistance. Okay, so you do a testing. There's a test known as a protein C resistant assay. It's a functional test. I don't know if they do it in Nigeria. Well, they could be doing it in a hematology lab. It shouldn't be a complex thing. They also do genetic mutation, which is like the gold standard. That one you can 100% pinpoint that okay, the person has a mutation of the F5 gene, you know. So clinical significance is such people, they suffer from what? Venous thrombosis more. Okay, deep vein thrombosis, pulmonary embolism. Okay, and well, that's it. Okay, so that's it for, I think we have shed more light on this one too.